Hello, good morning to all of you. My name is Irfan. Now I am going to teach you how the facing operation has been going on. If you want further more videos, like, subscribe and comment below. Face milling operation, now I am selecting this one, planar mill. You just select this one as NC program and this one as none. Keep it as none and then select this as workpiece. Don't select any method. Click OK. With that, specify the boundary option. You have to select the specification of the boundary. How you are going to, don't select directly with the face. You select by the curve. You do like that, it select only face. Now I am selecting with the curve. Select this line. Select this line. And select this line. Select this line. Select this line. Select this one. There should be a gap. It should be inside of it. Tool side, inside. Selection of plane. Yeah, now click OK to generate face operation. Click to generate. You have to specify the tool, and blank boundaries are not created in the face. Okay, just select the first tool. It is not there, I have to mention it in the below. Yeah, I am selecting this one. You just change it to Z plus axis, change it to zigzag, click to generate operation. The part cannot be specified in any level. Here is the boundary. Yeah, here is the boundary. Something is went wrong here. For that one, select this one. You just remove this one. If you want directly, you can select the face boundary here. Specify the plane. If you want to specify, you can specify this plane. Click OK. Now it will be selecting as upper boundary. Click to generate. Now you can see here boundary will be generated. We shall see the upper portion of class verify. See how it will be working. Click OK. And one more thing. Now this is I'm directly selecting. I just click to deselect and select by curve. Now I'm showing this one. Select this line. Select this line. Select this line. select this one. Now you can see here a starting point is here, ending point is here. If there is gap also, it will create it. You just automatically, if you select automatically, it will go in between that one. Want to specify the plane, you can specify this one as a plane for this. Click OK. Click to generate operation. See, it will generate it. If you want to extend, I will show you one more thing. Stock, how much stock you have to give. I'm just selecting 5 mm stock for this line. See what happens. Click to generate. If there is an extension, this is a no. Take 10. Okay. Click to generate. Did you see here? Little bit the cut area of this line will be increasing. To generate. See, all material will be clearing properly. If you need any more information about recording of this video, you can comment below and do subscribe my channel. Further upcoming videos, I am moving little bit forward. Do step by step and learn properly, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is my kindly friendly request, especially for you. Thank you.